We are learn to the chapter accounting for partnership firm fundamentals. The according to section 4 in Indian Partnership Act 1932. The partnership is the relationship between persons who have agreed to the share the profit of business by carried by all or any one of them action for all the future of partnership. There are the section 11 under 1932 Act. There participate the members of 10 to 20 members in kind of business. Their next point go to partnership comes existed by an agreement. There are 5 points. The next the existence by the agreement, and second one is the carrying and sharing the profit. Third one is sharing the profit or losses, and go to partnership deed. The partnership deed is a written agreement among the partners which contains terms of agreement. A partner deed should contain the following points. There the points below shown the 11 are uh, 13 totally the points, so this shown by 11 points. Go, this is the 11 points of there showing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. There this is the first of all is name and address of the firm, second name and address of the partners, nature of the business, terms of partnership, capital contribution by each partner, interest on capital, drawings on interest on drawings in profit sharing ratio, interest on loan, partner salary by commission, etc. Method for valuation of goodwill. This is the total followed by the partnership deed points. This is the, so look at the, go next page. There are the 2 points accruing period of the firm, rights of duties of partners. Next we go to benefits of partnership deed. First of all, helps to avoid dispute in future. It is evidence of the code. Facilitate function of business by avoiding misunderstanding. There are the particular is rules applied by absence of partnership deed. Their partner profit sharing ratio and equal. They are showed to follow this table. And next we go to the journal entries. There is a shown below. The first of all is transfer of balance of profit or loss account, profit and loss account to profit and loss appropriation account. There being profit transferred for interest on capital. Follow the interest on capital to partners capital current accounts. There are interest on capital allowed a percentage. Next second point is transferred interest on capital, profit and loss account. There are learn next class to in these videos. Thank you to watching. Take easy.